What you watching? I finally found the time to watch Quezon the movie. If you don't want to hear spoilers, mag-scroll na kayo. Many people came to the theater expecting a biopic. It is not that. The first thing on the screen was a disclaimer. Ang sabi, this movie blends fact with elements of fiction. So dapat enjoy ka lang. Wag masyado dibdibin. The movie was very strong visually. The acting was superlative. The pace was quick. The expository tools they used worked for me. I will let others who know more about technical elements dwell on that. Dahil genealogist ako who has read much about Quezon, I kept saying to myself, teka, nangyari ba yun? Mukhang hindi lang ako. Let me answer some of the questions you have been sending me. Unang tanong, veterano ba si Manuel Quezon ng Katipunan? Revolusyonaryo, but he was not part of Bonifacio's Katipunan. He joined only after his father Lucio died in 1898, right before the start of the Philippine-American War. He served as a lieutenant/aide-de-camp under Emilio Aguinaldo in Cabanatuan. Later, as a major, he served under General Tomas Mascardo. Mascardo was a general from Kawit, whom General Antonio Luna cited for insubordination. So yes, Quezon was a veteran of the revolution, but more admin than soldier. Next, sino pa yung mga fictional characters sa movie? Si Joven at ang pamilya niya, the wife, Nadia, Tio Miguel, lahat sila fictional. Yung newspaper na Alerta at yung teatro ni Joven, katang-isip din. Si Pedro Hanulino, totoong tao yun. Taga-Kawit siya at isa sa mga bumaril kay Antonio Luna sa Cabanatuan. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit may appearance siya as the false informant dito. Kasi by the 1935 presidential elections, 2 taon na siyang patay. So ginamit yung name niya pero hindi niya ginawa yon. Si Ana Ricardo ng Bataan ay secret wife daw ni Quezon. No record, no diary, no biography I have read proves they were together. Puro chismis. We have seen proof that Quezon was engaged to 4 other women. Corazon Chong Veloso in 1907, Nina Thomas around 1915, Dolores Veloso in 1917, and Aurora Aragon in 1918. Personal letters, newspaper clippings, physical artifacts, photographs, and civil records support these. Yung kay Ana Ricardo, wala po. Next, Leonard Wood, friend or foe. Leonard Wood served as the governor of the Moro Province. He resigned in 1906 under political pressure after the massacre of Budaho. He became the Governor-General of the Philippines in 1921. Together with W. Cameron Forbes, he led a mission to assess our readiness for independence. They concluded that we were not ready. Yung legacy niya, part problematic, part okay. Related question, did Quezon lead the cabinet crisis of 1923 against Leonard Wood? In real life, hindi siya yung bida doon. It started with Jose P. Laurel, the Secretary of the Interior at the time, who resigned after Leonard Wood reinstated the policeman Ray Conley in 1923. Laurel's move sparked a wave of resignations from other cabinet members. Senate President Manuel Quezon and House Speaker Manuel Rojas resigned from the Council of State but kept their roles in the upper and lower houses of Congress. Next, totoo ba ang away ni na Aguinaldo at Quezon? Yon totoo. In 1925, Aguinaldo said in a speech that the time for independence has not yet come, which Quezon saw as a betrayal. 2 years later, Quezon's allies exposed Aguinaldo's use of public land in Cavite. Friend kasi ni Quezon si Amang Rodriguez, who was the Secretary of Agriculture. Aguinaldo retaliated by expelling him from the Asociación de los Veteranos de la Revolución. This happened 10 years before they faced off as presidential candidates in the 1935 elections. So prolonged yung feud nila. Next, mahilig ba magmura si Quezon? Documented na nagmumura siya. In an interview, Quezon said about Governor General Stimson, yung nauna kay Wood, we used to make the air blue with our curses. When presidential photographer Honesto Vitug took a photo of Quezon while being carried off the SS Corregidor after he became ill during his election campaign, nagalit si Lolo Casey. Nasigawan ng punyeta si Vitug at pinakulong siya. Pero hindi kinuha ng pulis yung camera at yung film, so the photo still exists. Next, was Ricky Evansenia, Quezon's grandson, justified in being upset? Oo naman, descendants have every right to have a strong opinion about their family legacy. Pamilya niya yun eh. Alam niya yung nangyayari away from the public persona. Ricky Evansenia's defense of his family, if anything, felt like something Manuel Quezon would do. Ang huling tanong, how do you feel about the movie Quezon? After the movie, my daughter said, Quezon had an Emperor Palpatine vibe. I attribute that opinion to the last scene with the sickly Quezon in a wheelchair, jealous of Osmeña's health, screaming in anger, I am the Filipino people, I am the Philippines. Hindi ko masisisi yung anak ko. Our patriots and great statesmen were far from being perfect human beings. Quezon was flawed, mayabang, bully, power-hungry. But he led us through colonialism and war. Pinaparangal na natin si Quezon kasi kapag sinuma-suma mo yung buhay niya, he had a net positive impact on the nation. Maganda yung pelikula. Alam natin lahat na the movie is mostly fiction. Hindi siya documentary. Hindi siya pwedeng gawing source sa thesis. What bothered me after seeing the film is knowing that typical viewers cannot tell which is fact and which is fiction. This is reminiscent of how people online were confused over Daryl Yap's Made in Malacanang and what really happened in EDSA. The movie about a historical event or person is never just the reimagining of the past. It will also affect how the nation chooses to remember. We are a nation with a declining quality of functional literacy, with a majority less inclined to read or research. Aminin, may kilala kayo na ang mantra ay hindi na kailangan magbasa pag may pelikula na. The production released a study guide. Please read that kung gusto niyo himayin kung ano yung totoo at kung ano yung fiction. Punta rin kayo sa Quezon.ph. Manuel Quezon III maintains the site which houses digitized versions of biographies, photographs, and other documents about President Manuel Quezon. Dapat pagkatapos manood, magbasa. O diba?
Meow meow.